In GibbsCAM 13, we've added the ability to automatically deburr parts using our 5-axis option. All we need to do is select the deburring from our process and then select the surfaces with the intersections we'd like to deburr. You can see that there's no extraction of geometry, there's no creation of lines. We just pick the surfaces with the intersection and it automatically deburrs it. This one was pretty easy because it's only one. So let's see what happens when I select many different surfaces. Let's go ahead and take a look at this on the machine. We'll get a better idea of what it's doing. Here we can see how GibbsCAM automatically calculated the corners that needed to be deburred using the selections that I made on the part. If you have any questions about 5-axis in general or new functionality in GibbsCAM 13, please reach out to us or go ahead and give your local reseller a call. Thank you.